Hello guys, hello my dear friends, this is my official Telegram channel, Ganymede Hack Ganymede channel. If you want to make money like me, easy and fast with my real working Aviator Predictor application. Actual fresh date and fresh time 20 October 24 years, you see. My official links, Ganymede channel, Ganymede Hack, you can see my links guys, be careful, attention, because only I am real developer. Go to the Google Chrome, 1xbet official website. 1xbet, you see. To the crash game. Go to my mobile Android phone. Select Aviator Predictor application. You see Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channel, my links. Go to the 1xbet. Connecting my links guys, if you want this real working Aviator Predictor application for your mobile Android phone, because only I am real developer and stupid scammers copy my video and use my video. This is real Aviator Predictor application. Only this app real work and correct, perfect in real time. 2.05 next coefficient. Look at this, how it's work. Amazing guys, you see, it's amazing, it's real work. Let's go and place a bet. 30.70, you see, Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channel, next coefficient, and look at this, how it's working, how I win money easy and fast. $5.56 next coefficient. Amazing guys, as you see, application work perfect. It's a real working mobile Android phone application. Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channels, this is my official links if you want this real working Aviator Predictor application for your mobile Android phone. You see, it's a real work perfect, it's amazing. You see, this is history, balance, withdraw funds, and I withdrawed to my Visa card. October 24 years, actual fresh date and fresh time. Press confirm guys, press OK, and now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit guys, and my money withdraws. You see, all this real. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel, because all this real and you can earn money easy and fast every day. You see guys, you can do that every day. Status change to approve guys. This is my official links, Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channel, if you want my Aviator Predictor application.